Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to replace some weather stripping and a door seal. It's a pretty simple job. All you need is a couple tools. The tools you're going to need are a pair of pliers. Any pair of pliers will work. Something to cut your weather stripping. You can use a pair of scissors, a razor blade. I'm just using a pair of 10 snips here. And then a party knife. Now I'm replacing this weather stripping because of obvious reasons. Something happened here, got chewed through, something along those lines. And then this weather stripping also had a piece of foam from a window on here as well, probably for a better seal. So, alright, so we're going to grab a pair of pliers and we're going to start from the top, latch on, try to get a really good grip, and pull it out. Once it comes out, you can just do the rest by hand. And there you go. So modern doorways are going to have this gap here. And what this is doing is it allows you a place to slide your weather stripping into to hold on to. Now what you want to do is inspect this and make sure there's no debris or anything like that in there. If there is, just try to clean it out the best you can. Now we'll get our weather stripping. I just got this weather stripping from Lowe's. You can get it from Home Depot or Lowe's for about $10 a piece. It's not the cheapest stuff, but it is not that expensive either. There's a sticker on here. Go ahead and remove that sticker. You don't want that in here. Cause any problems. And it goes in one way. You can't put it in this way. That's backwards. Just got to go in like so with this facing outwards or towards the inside of the house. So what you're going to do is start at the very top. You're going to hold it out. This is prior to cutting as well. Push it in the best you can to get a seal going, and then you're just going to run your finger down and slide it in. This is where your putty knife is going to come in handy. What you're going to want to do is take your putty knife and run it down to create a nice firm seal. Alright, when you get to the bottom here, you just eyeball it and then cut it. You can always measure it and then cut it prior to, but this is easier. And that's what you want. You want a nice perfect seal like this. Now if you get to a spot to where it's bulging out like this right here, just take your tool and push and seal it right up.